Welcome to How to Use Proxies in Final Cut Pro 10. Step 1. Select Media Import at the top left of the editor. Step 2. Select the desired footage, then click the Create Proxy Media option underneath Analyze Video on the right side of the Media Import window. Step 3. Import your footage and allow your editor to optimize the selected media. If you've already imported your footage but did not select the Create Proxy Media option, you can still proxy your footage by selecting the file in your import library and right-clicking it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you can click Transcode Media, which will open its own window with the option to create proxy media. Select the Create Proxy Media option, adjust your settings as desired, and click OK. As always, allow your editor time to optimize and prepare the selected media. To view your timeline in proxy mode, select View within your timeline, and under Media Playback, select Proxy Only. This will switch media playback for your timeline from optimized original footage to proxy-only media. Just remember to change this back to optimized original before export to guarantee the best results. If you have more questions about how to use proxies, ask them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. In the meantime, that's how you use proxies in Final Cut Pro 10.